Okay.
Fixed assets roles, and then setups. Strong in fixed assets because this was my recent project actually.
Manish, also you said like you explain the project which you are doing right now, like
We will talk
behind
that
the, yeah, yeah.
system controls, asset key. You told right what are the flex fields we have. See, for even though we created a flex field in GL, for fixed assets we will create a separately flex fields. I will tell you why. System control asset key flex field, asset location flex field, and then another flex field. But,
I think there are only two flex fields in set fixed asset.
asset key flex field, asset location flex field, and then there is another flex field. This. To find that, what we can do is you didn't add the roles, right? Okay, I will asset flex fields and then
That is category flex field, Manish. Another one is
asset category.
category flex field.
Okay. Then asset association and then storage calendar. Yes. These are all the setups which we do in the FA. That's it. Transactions. Directly in FA. We have this using mass addition. Post mass addition. Transfer. Then association. Evaluation. This is a very challenging module actually. And then journal entries. These are all the transactions and these are all the setups which we need to do for which are part of the FA. Okay, before I go to the system, let me go to the structure, any structure which are available. Okay, let us take this here only. You guys are free after 10 or 15 minutes, sorry, 30 minutes, something like that. I will continue until my wife reaches. 1 second.